The tomato is one of the most consumed foods in the world. It appears in salads, sauces, stews, juices, toast, and seems completely harmless. But here comes the surprising part. Depending on how you prepare or combine it, it can go from being a superfood to becoming an inflammatory factor for your body. And what if I told you that many people eat it in a way that damages their stomach, skin, joints, and even their hormonal balance? In this video, we reveal the 5 most common mistakes when eating tomato that you might be making without realizing it. And trust me, the last one can have serious consequences if you don't fix it in time. If you have ever eaten a tomato today, you need to watch this until the end. Drop A in the comments if you eat tomatoes regularly. Let's see how many of us are making these mistakes without even knowing it. And if you care about eating smarter, hit that like button now and share this with someone you eat with every day. When you see a green tomato, you think it is simply unripe, but in reality, its chemical composition also changes. Green tomatoes contain a substance called tomatine, a natural alkaloid present in plants of the nightshade family. This substance acts as the plant's natural defense against insects, but it can also affect your health. What can it cause? Nausea, abdominal pain, digestive discomfort, headaches, and in sensitive people, even heart rhythm disturbances. Although the amount of tomatine in a single green tomato is not enough to cause serious toxicity, frequent consumption, or in large quantities, can have cumulative effects. Furthermore, tomatine decreases dramatically as the tomato ripens, while the benefits increase: more lycopene, more vitamin C, more flavor. The takeaway: let it ripen properly. The redder and shinier, the better for your body. This mistake goes unnoticed by many, but it can make a real difference for those who suffer from irritable bowel, intestinal inflammation, gas, or heavy digestion. Tomato skin contains insoluble fiber that neither dissolves nor ferments in the intestine. For a healthy digestive system, this is not a problem, but for a sensitive gut, it can act as an irritant. In addition, some people develop a mild intolerance to certain proteins present in tomato skin, which triggers reactions such as bloating, cramping, and discomfort after meals. What can you do? Blanch the tomato for a few seconds in hot water and remove the skin. It is easy, quick, and improves digestive tolerance without losing any benefits. This is especially useful for older people or those with a weakened digestive system. This is where things get more interesting. The tomato is naturally acidic. This acidity, when mixed with simple starches such as white bread, refined rice, and French fries, can interfere with digestion and encourage intestinal fermentation. The consequences are gas, reflux, heaviness after meals, and nighttime acidity that ruins your sleep. Moreover, many people always eat tomatoes raw, thinking they preserve more nutrients that way. But here is a powerful fact. Lycopene, the tomato's star antioxidant, is absorbed up to 4 times better when the tomato is cooked, especially when cooked with a healthy fat like olive oil. So, if you only eat raw tomatoes, you are missing out on their greatest antioxidant power. The advice: if you are going to have bread with tomato, make it whole grain bread and pair it with good fats, olive oil, avocado, or nuts. Do you already know some of these mistakes? If this video has already made you think differently about tomatoes, imagine what you will discover in the next content. Subscribe now, activate the bell, and share this video with whoever needs it most. Perhaps that gesture will give them years of good health. Let us continue with the 2 most dangerous and least known mistakes. Canned or preserved tomatoes are a very practical option, but excessive consumption may be affecting your body more than you imagine. Why? BPA contamination. Most cans are coated with a resin that can release bisphenol A, especially when it comes into contact with acidic foods like tomatoes. This compound has been linked to hormonal imbalances, fertility problems, and increased risk of certain types of cancer. Hidden salt and sugar. Many industrial preserves add sodium and sugars to improve flavor and texture, which can cause fluid retention, increased blood pressure, and chronic inflammation. Preservatives and acidulants. Some jars contain citric acid, synthetic ascorbic acid, or monosodium glutamate, which in excess can affect people with a sensitive liver or those prone to migraines. The recommendation: choose tomatoes preserved in glass jars. Check the label, it should contain only tomatoes and perhaps sea salt, and if you can, prepare them yourself at home with a simple cooking method and no chemicals. Here comes one of the most overlooked mistakes. Tomatoes can be incredibly powerful, but only if you pair them well. Lycopene, the tomato's main antioxidant, is fat-soluble. This means it needs fat to be properly absorbed. If you eat it alone, as in a salad without dressing or toast without oil, you absorb only a small percentage of its potential. However, if you pair it with extra virgin olive oil, avocado, or chopped nuts, your body will make much better use of its properties. And if you also cook it lightly, as in a homemade sauce or in the oven, the bioavailability of lycopene multiplies. Studies suggest that this compound may help prevent cardiovascular disease, reduce oxidative damage to cells, protect the skin from aging and solar radiation, and strengthen the prostate in men. So, do not waste that potential. Your plate should not only look good, it should be well combined to heal from within. The tomato on its own is a nutritional gem, but when we misuse it, it can become an inflammatory food, poor in nutrients, or even harmful in the long run. Nutrition is not about demonizing or idolizing foods, but about learning to use them intelligently. Small changes like letting it ripen fully, peeling it if your gut needs it, avoiding industrial preserves, or pairing it with olive oil can have a huge impact on your long-term health. Think about this. Every meal is an opportunity to heal, to prevent, to build a future with more energy, less pain, and a better quality of life. And you, how do you eat your tomatoes? Share it in the comments. Your experience might help someone else. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and activate the bell to keep learning about the foods you eat every day. Here we do not just talk about food, we talk about conscious decisions for a longer, stronger, and happier life. See you in the next video.